All right, in this video, a quick update on the 10,000 subscriber contest. If you have not made a submission, go ahead and do so. This contest is still active, but I do have an update for all of you, whether you have already participated or plan on participating. Remember, there's 8 prizes. There's a $200 first prize, $100 second prize, $50 third prize, and then 5 gift cards. So 8 prizes to give away. Solve the Kin, multiply these 4 yellow circles together, and that will be your answer. And for the update, the thing that I want all of you to do, even if you have already submitted an answer, go back to the form. You can edit your response. And what I want you to do is type your first and last name in right here. All of this will remain confidential, obviously, when I announce the winner. I'll probably use your initials, and for your email address, I might use the first 2 or 3 letters, but some email addresses will have maybe the same first 2 letters or something like that. So I want to have a way to cross-reference, the email address with the first and last name. That way I can announce these winners. And yeah, that's it. Type in your name, press submit, and yeah, I appreciate it, you all. And that's it for this video. I hope it helped.